E from MarketWizards.com and eMiniWizard.com, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. It is about 11:40, wrapping up for the morning session. It's Tuesday the 19th. We said if we bust this high right here, then probably the low is in. We think this is the right place to take profits if you are long. And this is for some of our traders who aren't here right now, so you can see what we were talking about. We like this idea of absolutely positively have to use yesterday's low as support. And in the buy zone down here, this was a deep pullback, tells us that anything goes. First target's on the way back up. If you were buying, get your stop out back. If you got stopped out, had to get up above 16s and then the 19s and then the 22 test, obviously, all important. And if you could, and I had just said, I can't see the market abandoning 25 without a retest. And here we go. We just, like within a 30 seconds of me saying that, the thing just pounded up here, some kind of news event. But we had talked about that this was all fast down and a good possibility that we would come back and retest this because it just happened so much faster than we would think it would. But this is what happens when you find the correct support level that the big boys like. And this was just common sense. We felt even getting under that 15, we'd done well just to shake out these traders here. And then the next target becomes 12. And just a normal everyday gotcha longs and gotcha shorts. So I would not overtrade this now. And anybody that liked the short side, we said you could probably hit one more bounce. And that would be, my guess, is this one coming here, not for a new low, but for profit taking from the longs. And I think the low is probably in right now. And we were looking at a couple of charts. This was one of our better friends right here. We noted that we were really tackling yesterday's angel. And then if we got up, Zeke said if we got above the 22.5, probably the low is in. I think this is a profit-taking swing. And anybody that wants short side, be my guest. You can go crazy, but I'm not thinking we're going to get a big sell. I think the low is probably in already. Just been that kind of a market. Rain line was just about hit. Not quite. And then we got the goose right here. So we should get a profit-taking swing from that, but we noted that we were here. The bottom level, this key area right here, this is an extreme zone. And then that big 25 flipper. So anybody that played long side early and got beat, first goal, get your money back. And then don't think about this as a home run trade. This is going to take probably a couple of rotations to get out of Dodge. RTH traders will be looking at this chart right here. Correct buy zone based on yesterday's range. And then the luck comes at this bar right here from 19. You see where it's goosed at 19? Just coming into the middle and then bang, gotcha. So there'll be short side traders that have got trapped that are going to try to get out, in my opinion. So we're going to leave that. We had said, let's use 08 support, but you should be trying to make sure you're paid by 12s in here. And so we're going to leave 08 as the back end support for now. And we still have a range trade. We're still not out of the woods yet, but I think the longs have certainly defended their turf. And now it's the short's turn. So we're going to use this 19 as our key today. Below that, we're searching for support. Above that, we're tackling resistance. And when you get the gift, take it. Gifts were given and gifts were taken away. And you don't know. It took you at least 2 shots, maybe 3, to get the long side finally. And you have to be able to withstand losing a few trades and say, okay, better odds here. I was premature. And then if you're wrong taking the last one, okay. But first things first, capital gets back. Then this is the gift right here. We know that. Hope you had a good morning. Tackling that 19 test right now. This is probably the do or die time right in here. Anybody that's played with a second entry right here, paid for sure. Okay, right down here. Below that, good fortune. And probably because we've got a few trapped shorts, I'm thinking that way. When you get this kind of a gotcha bar, then you want to think about, okay, maybe it's much more neutral. And because we made a higher high than this bar right here that we said was a controlling area, you want to make sure you're now thinking about maybe whack-a-mole. All right, guys. Hope you had a good morning. I'll see you in the Slack room. Never make it about any one day. Range trading, I believe, for now. And I would not overtrade lunch. All right, catch you guys in the Slack room. Be well.